Okay, yɛda sɛ dabi ada wogye atum na wo ne yɛbɔ mpunimpu ɛwɔ agodie kwan so na yɛde nsɛmpa no nyinaa no ɛsom wɔ live ɛwɔ GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno. Ɛna yɛhyia mu a yɛde nsɛmpa no nyinaa no ɛbrɛ wɔ no. Yɛtena se a na deɛ ɛkɔtwi ɛkɔ by brɛman ɛna yɛde ne nyinaa no ɛsom ntɛntɛm so na wanya wo kyɛfa. Na nkɔmmɔ wɔ hɔ paa nti yɛnyɛ justice to it. Na yɛnkɔ anim na yɛmfa nsɛmpa no nyinaa ɛnto yɛnatiefoɔ anim live ɛwɔ GH Live Studio. So now yɛnhyɛ nkɔmmɔ no ase sei Ghana's numero uno, the Black Stars of Ghana, Kotoko, any has any other local team no munya ready. And I'm say on say AFCON they are qualify. Yes, you qualify, but there is an AFCON qualifier game be or more. Never cho yet as a basso. Na ansana sa game never basso no, and I'm say a mere formality game, and said Uncle Fabi BM free muma and from Ghana into them. See, I'm qualified for the AFCON into no. They had to see and say local teams, mostly Asante Kotoko players be able to me and your call up at the Aquaco PMO or Black Stars as well with regards to Sa AFCON na and Shadam Francis and Superbia Mano. Nina say coach to add any testy players Nibia share na washe senior or more demo bit me ako na wa more demo 20 mono. What me actual Eddie Ababi Rem na 3-nation tournament, of course, 4-nation tournament today in Asia with regards to the preparation towards the World Cup. And also, what me actually be Eddie Rem and Nema and Komaka Kosunti, Kotoko players, more step up, more preparation ye, more born ye into Tontem. Na Yankwanko Fre Mediama for one player, Yankwanko Fre Heart of Lion for one players, and now say House of Folk one player Bianco, Kotoko Sukobi a and players no step up na fi gidi pa momo adwuma and enkoso senti e na hwe video yi mame ade bi koso Kotoko mu a esom bu yie enye de bia na beba bebo enkofo achi na yakeken kansam da bi obi ya ade na osaba so ba ese de to nanim video ya wo hwe yi e ya Asante Kotoko player friend say Patrick Asiedu wo ma training awie they say the ode ato no so Kotoko epon training a on footing bars ni bi nko okam no ankasa iron personal training or no ankasa iron personal training we a video about the kind courtesy of Yenua Emmanuel Menya Nanaba Kwame Nanaba Kwame Gracious Mr. GH Fachame Nanaba Kwame Gracious or no yen same training all grounds na our monitor proceedings at the no and who say I dare say and Patrick Asiedu all your senebe and form no sa depoa a bit me sorry send depend so obetimi akanya mama na kwa animu na bibia timi awie nkonimdie so ede amano nti eno ensam kakre free mu ede ba we personal training bra o matumrika bobo atem painting kwa wie no ena Patrick Asiedu wakam na watumrika biem na wasa abo free kick ahodo obi anapodum no obogum na wo hwese ne ma bekoyi ede amano ye kwagye nkyeremu ede free ho na latest on Abet Amo so ewe ni Abet Amo akwakodru ewe ni team a akwakosi akan ede ama wo mu wa first ever training your footage ni wa ha ye de betudwa ama ye na tiefo na bibia tumi akoso kama na sisi Abet Amo a ekoi no Donzo empanyifo so ede niam part kwamu a old players ni bi ene Donzo ahia mu edi nkomo echechẹ na kwan ni niam ahodo a obeyo na watimi awura mu na wafiti in the shoes of Abet Amo na ene akwa mpoku togu su kakra oni under 20 na training no wono so betimi akwa animu nti ye sha ase on Sunday with Kotoko Karela expect say Donzo be pint na bibia timi akoso de yetis kranza penalty beto ho a onimbo pa nti obaba tumpo kekra na ama ne confidence level no atimi akoso no ensamo a ekoso ba ni nyina mu no kakum yagini do gina ho anum yakwaku anum biem ne yagye ye ko ni akwa akutie pentin kwa ene nkoma e wachi na ba kwa me gracious ye checha bibi abako de
champion bibi abako
na mede Patrick Asiedu video a ono nko a ene gina park su tumrika e Kotoko training grounds atoso ade ya punishment ana se ono a ena eye niema sha se free o ma me wi ani ade Donzo hu nkomo ene nkomo nketenkete a aka akiri nyina
champion senior we to ahwefo na atifo animu no and correct say abranti ade din ede Patrick Asiedu ade a otai eye but now on started say or yeah jumano and also or yes or adako judge and we know say don't wanna etem ofa baby a Kotoko and so etim no edana ayana normally
About
no
raise your voice kakrama
okay it drew an opasa won't say or started a in the personal training any ade but sisi and the aqua say a brown crop your Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bobo Kono aba adako judge and omo aye omo full training 2 hours training no every no and I say 2 hours training and omo aye and the 2 hours training and a team no aye after say omo ebeye bibi bia awie ewo adako judge no na Albert amo agogo and the wobeji kin no edi a free Kotoko omo equipment officers no hono because after say omo aye training awie no equipment officers Mr. Sunday mani nyina akwa na ọma lọọke adakọja ache pitch na ọma lọọke no ọma lọọke yom de ama team manager awie tikin no na fakọtọ nyankopọn ya adom dachi na ye ba ni aba abeji wo ho no no masa nso de akwa akobie na sisi no se Kotoko eyo mu training awie no na mabanta ne din de Patrick Esiedu aginem na wa yire training na ade a ɛwɔ ho a ɛyɛ nigi sɛm no sɛ after say club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko a ball with that athletic club no mohwɛ game omkɔbɔ no wɔ Casablanca na one starting game no amfa ma club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko with some reasons bi ni ade nti when tumi an start amfa ma club ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko ɛno ana aginja abrante no sɛ after say ɔmo ayɛ training bia ɛwɔ adakogya akyire ni kwan sɛ ɔno nso ɔtena fie na sɛ ɔkɔ relax ni ade ɔwɔ sɛ ɔpɛ mmerɛ kakra nso ɛde ɛyɛ na wohwɛ time a ɛnura sɛ wɔtumi use yɛ ɛde yɛ ne personal training a it was about 35 minutes 35 minutes ɛna aberante a ne din ɛde Albert Patrick Esiedu Albert amu agogo de ɔno ɔkɔ na yɛka Patrick Esiedu ho asɛm left back ɛde macro bi Kumasi Asante Kotoko Albert Amwa eyusu ye edie training
abetamu ansema bawalum pao yabeba ne latest no but Patrick Esiedu
enye izo Patrick yes mi amini ya ba ko Patrick Esiedu na ono so anya botere aye training na wo hwe training na oye na oye nyema bebre no nya botere eye na ne oye no aya na enya ade atemu no ebe nda de no enu ase wo hwe ne oye na oye physical small pa o sorry no ahuri no akosoro no osisi post kakra no otumi ka from saa no okọ no oba no ahuri no saa no adam from no opejani mu no oye se ovia na wagina fa akọ woso ne body na ahwe se bia baby o tipes na dia ovia ne 9 bonkuru tumi toto ne saa because bonkuru no ana tell you so tumi kosoro na odi akọ from saa na ohwe de na abrante no eye na ewo ne nimpa and 35 minutes na ojusu ye ewo training grounds no enra ni ende no enye se oye akra no akọ rest no asan so aba etuemu saa o train na so eye training 35 minutes no owie ya na wafa ne bag e de ahye na ki na oba saa na o make sure say owo another training kit enso ewo ne ho ewo ne bag ni mu enti owie a na wasesa ne ho ansana wawrem enso ewo because training kit na we use no ono awo nika Patrick Esiedu na ono ani nika into back of foot trotro because team no bas ne beko empeyifo mo nyina mo bas ne be dey ebeko na one team pa wo ho say sanka bia dako judge no anka light wo ho a anka ohwe senior na esitie na anka branch ne betimi aye train no amana brota o use no because I na ko team no eye trainer omumpo ontem and no hwe time amupon ya me de to dem so mudi nkomo and the time team no epon ye no na abofo 30 ekwa akobo 5 edi say opese oye train no ko anim a anke bia light bi wo ho anko betimi aye more minutes na nka atumi enso aboa e wo ho no na ohwe senior na oye ne personal training ni ade na supporters kakra omo etimi ewura mu e wo madako ja ati behwe ko training no enra after say training course when after say training course no dodo na ampre anko and they were na omo ani aso my brand and the edit Patrick as you say on one a personal training after set team no I general training every I will be a training every no now a brand and also what say now I train I never want to team in our car now on what I yes I training no and na a idea na so any and also sa na a idea as well o hwe send the ekona at first no na omo ma kwan ma players no enye training after say o team na training wie no na omo ma kwan ma omo nye training wo ho no but this year no hwe send the Albert Amwa I'm sorry Patrick Kessie Albert in the abam team because easy Patrick Kessie do start here o yes adwumadie no e wo ho no ye hwe say players are almost what can be ebehwe na almost what me aya saa de na one thing misua ye efa training mu say yes e bia abrante no e bia e pra bi won ho anase bibi ana o maye trainer wie no ma assign e bia trainer bi say on training abrante no ho no on the team no be full training okay on the full team no e be full training jombe ye bia no be o wie ano no nko akem ye was team no aye train ye wie na ye train na bi say no e be a player we na ho de sema kofom ti yemfa e be a physical trainer ene ono na enkam na nka on fa ne mfam kakra ana say yempe obi a oye bi a yen kan say set piece coach na on fa player ne mfam be come be fa so a obet start abo free kicks ne adi ye but entesa akra ono nko a na wakam na waye sa training no kama enso e wo ha yehu ne se eno ebeboa abrante no ono so ne performance ye pa ama niema atumi akoye edi ama Patrick Esiedu di Patrick Esiedu de ne ho nsem no ana ye di to dware enra ne de Kotoko team no resume here no abrante ne abre pa a wo ye ne personal training enso e wa adako di achi nyase bia team no training and we personal training but after say team united training every no no so you should time
nice one. That's really good me ankasa personally me kai say na me drive around for me saho me hu no anu to me kafa Camp Martin Hotel hu hia alagi salia mpota mo no my team said this guy was a workaholic na adwuma
enye ne no wash or shas
enye afi na first na Kotoko emma kwanya mo nya no training pitch no so
yes
see ade o mapene and then they wow person o kamu ye no obeyo nti ene wa shas ye a step in the right direction niema esefata ye now Kotoko I resume training ahead of Karela minim say Karela so mamu akodi o machi ye de o mo nkomo beba in next episode yeah na Kotoko two training so my ye any Karela training no ye ba be di ho nkomo ba ye ni nkomo we Kwame Poku amanfo bisa na see Kwame Poku sisi ano woni under 20 ni train due to injury kakra on dem abedi ni ho nkomo awie se oni Donzo e na mantle no kita wo mo so mbe replace Albert Amwa nso akwa akudru ama sisi wa ye first training in fact I mean for Albert Amwa crown first training or ye no we Karela for nkomo e ba bedi picture ene da so but yenko ye Albert Amwa nkomo no enwiansa Albert Amwa ha wakwa akudru e won club I say we see akan Ali Benghazi se no kuta ni yellow fever yellow card na di two kwan akudra some dream oduru ya wa nyina home the first training na oye and that was screen so I will say Albert Eko one monitor Kotoko training ahodo Donzo empanyfo ama say old players and then din komosie say ombetimi a revive na so ombejinja na so wo akwada no modern boy sombo nemom enkleke e bro ba Kotoko yi wo hwe Donzo ene Kwame Poku ene Saka Dauda moni ade a Albert Ikwe soja go soja come say na hu niema
chairman enra ene eyam komo amenya botre atena se adi hu ene amanfo asusu pa ye and ade kura na ye nyina ye hwe ne se Morfin Donzo bitimi abafa Albert Amwa the boot na ehye no di eye adwuma no ye ka boot enye no no ane boot bet ahoden de oye wo Kotoko team ni mu no ye Kotoko team ni wajai eko ene wa start the training no oba fa sa boot no na wa start ahye goals Ede ama Kotoko. Now this is how Kotoko team ni mu a. Aka 3 strikers. Jordan and Misa ho. Kwame Poku ho ana Morofin Donzo. And so ewo honom. Na this year na me no ka say dey say no dey to ahwefo na tie fo nim no. Kwame Poku out due to injury. On recover any full on recover. And Oshe send Jordan and Misa so he's learning from the seniors, you know. And we know that now we know Kasa Sisi and Morofin Donzo ana ewo honom. Enra mi rua dakoja anti ana Kotoko team no training no. Na Morofin Donzo my first target na only tan ye pa. Na ade ba ko Morofin Donzo ho a me sha say aka Morofin Donzo ho asem no. Me expect say Kotoko campaign for behwe na omatimi na di nkomo ewo ho. One, when timi enset no offside ye. Na the tell say Morofin Donzo oba Kotoko bo ko ni mo no. Kotoko qualities bia say or start young word juma ebe what team ni ye pa eba the left and then the right na baby a click baby a click but oye play bia enyini kakra e on the side and I'm going to say agent e on the side enti oko na ase obra wentimi em position ni wu ye na always bia no why offside. This is also advisor Yadima could campaign for number na omona akwati nkomo afa ho na ene enra trainer e course no na ye hwe Morofin Donzo ne abilities obetimi di abo Kotoko na enra trainer omoye ye no me kan di to wonim say na shooting wo mu mo pa ana high pressing ewum na omotimi jai emma ebia 3v3 na oma to bo na to mfimfi na 3v3 no you would defenders and you was strikers in one side and defenders no one side from to bo na to mfimfi a na mo strikers no mo pushi awane aba ball so na defenders no enso ba be defend na enra be hwe na Morofin Donzo eba running say jam to bon fantle no nko fa ball very good kakra ma starting hunu wo atakoja ase enra ne ene me ka enra nkomo na me de ene de na ba be shim to ball to ha otimi run ko fa ball but ade ba ko a e wo se Kotoko team ma ne hwe ye ho adwuma pa na say one onya ball na ya ni ti wo fom pa ni ti wo fom menim say aha pitch no enya mfa ma no de ya menim ayana ni ti wo fom eti enra during the training no me we say coach can to shout on him so on pigeonity
okay
and no more of those who answer goals for training grounds for an 5
and no shebe 5 goals
or share 5 goals
wow
na go back could be or share ya na ama coach Emmanuel uti any prince ya wusu Kotoko training grounds coach a odi ne den ejina players no pa prince ya wusu ono ne menka na sesabi yamfa nkwase asem mfa ni feature ye new rough for ni so na after ye Morofin Donzo ye ni na no na coach ni gina ha obo ne nsem de ma no on say ye wo say ball ba na e wo 18 year boss ni mu a ball go itimi ka say a 100% chance to score itimi ka say this goal ni there na be 8% chance say ka strike kan betimi a but watimi a convert sound common bi na me wudi to ball no from the left abam na defender na Joseph Abulo o wini ball ni wie kura na ekwan Morofin Donzo e de ne nan achi eyi ball no fa Joseph Abulo ni true mu ekwohye go na efekeke and yeah hwehwe se anka obe start ayesa adwuma no one odi ani edi a na obeta mo a wole because this year no obeta mo a player na oppress pa Kotoko team ni mu a na oye player o ma high pressing o hwe the goals bi a o share ye ni assist bi a odi ma Kwame popular season Emma mo share how to folk na oppress high echo winning ball. On I think say Kelvin or SCB and then Benjamin Asari and or pass ball to ma Kwame Pokuere ebo share. And no na Kotoko team na start your omo young juma. Some more fin those with na start ya say juma ndiama because John Lebisa no very soft. Onye obi a oye gidigidi bia. And now since I come on fin those with nko so Kotoko team no this so many dance over from now to January. I am morphine dozo. It coaches ne ignorant so. So I won't be bia say I'm going to get picky. Now what in your boy, I'm a goal scorer and Friday. And so abba. Now anything Ushe how training no etiena na a trainer omuche team in the you know. Say ye more and run omuche bet na a year bono 3-3-4-4 1v1 2v1 2v2 3v2 4v2 sa na omo e de ebo but ene do omo chemu e fa ne fa yan wa ha ye mo ha anu bo mo fi dozo as a striker we trouble on betum sa I don't know omo start your friend say tactical in empathy be more
yeah you be omienu ni Karela there so on next episode
yes
focus on
yeah na e de na tie say and no mo sa so ehwe mo fi dozo e wo soro esoro ne se bo fa soro a e di no betimi aye e di abo Kotoko ti ene na crossings ba pa na crossings eba we the one is say enya ade Kotoko di kwa kwesha Karela because Karela the eba wing play now they are very good eba Karela for most strengths and weaknesses because when you betam monitor team ni pa they are very good but ade a so the fa ho e consider goals pa also ye friends say esro boss it's not omo ye ho adwuma say mo feel those with me support them because me kai Albert Amwa last season with me using the TD share goals be 2 or 3 so they are looking say more feel those na say waka team ni mo no also bet me aboa e was aspect na that and per how na edema AC ekono na play coaches no and so egusu a omo ehwe and this year na come on fin those on and then Jordan and Bisa so they are working hard and say the Albert Amwa go eye na waja ho kono mo fin those best start ayese adwuma no na say akoso a me hu ne say abrante no ewo potentials bibra obetimi e de abo akro bi akumase asante Kotoko team if say injuries aba affect abrante and team of fin those obetimi aboa and yenhwe because and also play do oba especially foreigners no oba Ghana has here the be omo league no ni ha league no there will be difference into na enyam pick ma abrante but ye nyina ye hwese enima betimi akoye e di amamoro fin donzo and Kotoko coaches ni kuso ekuso e hwese enima ebekoye e di amamoro fin donzo.
Nice nice report. Yeah, that's it. Say what my intro with regards to Donzo stepping up, and of course, I think so. Patrick, I see you doing so. Any abresa crodom na yenya updating to say I bet I'm the first ever train the El Ali Sporting Club Benghazi. Abibia air costume. Stay glue na train na yemfa Karela updating.
My emfa we ni mrem. My emfa we ni mrem. We ni adi mrem no Agadas nkomo.
Okay.
Na and after report no if mo frame me bisa me say Agadas no omo ehwe na ahoɔden na Agadas ɛwɔ ne dada no ejire mu ana.
Okay.
Ne kura nim nie Agadas onye week. Agadas onye week senye pra ana ɛha abrante na onye week. Manya botra monitor Agadas. I think say that was 1st July of this year.
Okay.
Na season end year no Kotoko old players no ekobo friendly game with how to folk omo team no. Akwafo mu nyina be bobi, obed mu nyina be bobi. Any other players Dalad mu nyina be bobi. Yeah. Na ohwe how ana Agadas, Richard Bodu Agadas. Control fin hono. Na ni ohwe how it's a leadership no wonimu though any game be an giddy be or mobile, but the one not all control thing for any other players ni air communicating no. Na very good. Na enra minya abotre monitor no enema 1-2 bi. Na coaches no stress ne more. I will train ya omo ni. But for no gathers na the who gina ho. I said no, I have to do something for the club. And the enra say na omo ye train no mu jagada say ye ma free roll. Baby I'll be and money be do who abone fako. Now, oh yes, some 2 or 3 passes beer or bobo no tia kwana kofa or bobo no tia kwana kofa na eba say ahoden yemfa gidigidi onfa won say or recover or plan ogusu a or ye recovery kakra but o tia ahoden ejina because onya say because ojai na oye flay bi ma wa one way ya wo na player na wo ba no also onye serious into obema body akomu obema na komu wo mfimfin ho no
nti ahoɔden ne da so gyina
ada ahoɔden ne da so gyina
good
ɛna ne leadership no san so yɛde ɛwɔ hɔ no ti yɛhwɛ sɛ agada so ho bɛtɔ no na January no wetimi aba bɛ join ne Kotoko team no and how when you may see connect here you ne say abrante so offer bia mfiri ba bia ma be bom an fa na ni so de ya abrante no bɛka team no ho and how I start here only players no ɛyɛ no say January abrante no bɛka ho a na wodi kan ahu Kotoko almost style of play coach carry music to the philosophy a oba team no mo so wode ba no na wahu bibia amana yɛ kama ba sa philosophy no see edi hu nkomo na kema wahu philosophy ne de
said in like it out
see yeah say name abekoyi but Richard Godwin Gadas say a plan hane dia o join Kotoko team no bebo Kotoko team pa
nice one nana ba gina ho na yem pause ne yem to aso free ha
sure
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?